It's here. My package came. It's arrived. Okay, let me block out all the address on here because I don't want you to know where I live. But oh my god, it came, you guys. It freaking is here. Oh my god, this is so exciting. Oh my god, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. I just got a notification on my phone that YouTube has sent me something. All right, I don't know what. I do not. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Should I just rip it open? I'll show you what it says on it. It says it's from... Sorry, I just was blocking out all this address because I don't really want you guys to know where I live because that would be kind of bad. All right, I'll show you. I don't know what it is. I don't know. It's a big black box. All right, let me get a knife or something. Oh, this will do. Okay, a big black box. It says YouTube. What was that noise? Did you guys hear that? It says YouTube on it. So that's cool. It says YouTube right here on the front. YouTube. Should I open it? I don't know what it is. Let's see. Let's see what it is together. Let's go. Thank you, Carrie. Thank you, Carrie. Love you, love you, love you. I want to see. I have a feeling I know what it is. I don't. I have a slight feeling I know what it is. I just want to open it and make sure. All right. I have a slight feeling. Slight. I might be wrong. Thank you! Thank you, Room 10! I'm opening it.
The Carey Rail fan super
There's
chat
so much
$10.
freaking tape
Let's
on this
go.
thing. It's insane. Okay. Hold on. It won't come off! Stupid tape. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's off. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. I got the tape off, guys. I got the tape off. I'm going to open it. This is the most exciting moment of my life. I think I know what it is. Okay. It's a big piece of black foam. Don't know exactly what that is. I guess I take the foam off. And it's, oh, look, it's a note. It's a note. Guys, there's a note in here. Do you remember your first subscriber? It's from YouTube. It's from YouTube! Let me open it up. This is a nice letter. I like this. That's cool. Look, oh my gosh, Susan. Susan! Guys, Susan Wojukidi signed it. W. Susan. Wait, stop, wait! Wait, stop, guys, stop. Hold on. Susan is not the CEO of YouTube. Susan is not! Guys, hold on. Guys.
Julian Romano Munoz super chatted $2. Come on, guys, let's all gather and cheer for Steak.
Thank you, Julian. Thanks, Julian. Guys, we have a big problem here. YouTube CEO is not Susan. Why does it say Susan? It says Susan on my play button, but it's not Susan. It's not Susan anymore. It's not Susan. It's Neil. All right. You ready to see what's in the box? Do you know what this is, guys? Do you know what this is right here? Do you know what this is? Do you guys know what this is? Oh my gosh. 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 It's finally here. Oh my gosh. Guys, I finally did it! I finally got a play button that says steak on it instead of poop! Yeah! Yes! Yes! Creekcraft Eats Boogers, and this one says steak.
Bella
Woo!
underscore Roblox said it's
Oh
super
my
chatted
gosh.
$1.99. Congrats,
Thank you,
steak.
Bella. Thanks, Bella Roblox Edit. Oh my gosh. Oh, put the play button where Haslam is. Like on my wall? Should I put it on my wall? That's a good idea. Right here? Should I put it right here? Should I put it over No, I'm not. I'm not gonna put it over Haslam. No way. I refuse. Throw it at the wall. Bro, no, I'm not gonna throw it at the wall. Shut up, bro. Why would I do that? Now, why would I throw my play button at the wall? Excuse me. Can I have Robux? Happy for user Kitty Ocean 123. Maybe later in the stream.
Ocean
Ask me,
Knows
okay?
Woody super chatted
Whoa.
$2.05. Can I have Robux? Also happy for you, user Kitten Ocean 123.
Maybe ask me later in the stream, and possibly. Okay, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for helping me get here. We got the 100K button, and it says steak on it. It looks so much better than poop. It looks so much better than Creekcraft Eats Boogers. I'm so happy. Steaky the goat, thank you for the $1. Woo! All right. Feels good, guys. It feels freaking good. I'm so proud of how far we've gotten, y'all. It's amazing. Thank you guys so much.
694 super chatted 73
It's all-
cents.
It's all because of you guys. Thank you for sticking with my channel through all the ups and downs, all the bad spots. Thank you. Wait, who packaged it? Who packaged it? Wait, it was packaged
Bella
by
underscore
Rick.
Roblox said it's super chatted
Wait.
99 cents.
Wait, yeah, it says Rick on the card. Look, it says Rick. Look, it says Rick right there. It says it was packaged by Rick.